Hi, welcome to WinTrader. Here I am showing you how to detect the false signal without software, WinTrader 8.1 software. So today most of the traders are confused how we can trade, where we want to enter the trade. We just want to enter the market and where we want to exit the market. So these are the main confusion. All the traders are main confusion are that. So here there is some small remedy for that with our software. So the software will correctly detect you this where the accurate signal, confirmed signal, and which is the false signal. So easily we can find out. The software will support you for that. So I'll explain that how we can do. So here this I take the crude oil chart. I took crude oil chart for the example. So here crude oil current market price you can see 5957. So this is the buy signal. This green up arrow is our buy signal in WinTrader 8.1 version. Now you are watching. Total we have 8 versions under this one pack. 8 versions are there with scanner 1.2. Scanner 1.2 is our updated scanner version. So this is the for example I show this video. You can check this accuracy with the live demo also. Live market performance you can check with the live demo. If you want to check the live demo, you can feel free to contact us directly. My contact number is 9061308080. So through our website also you can contact. So any other further queries you can directly contact. So here I am share the video with some example how the false signals examples, so and accurate signals too. So here today we get the buy signal. The market start from this white dotted line today. So here the buy signal, first buy signal we get from this price. The buy entry price we get from buy at 5939. And once you enter the trade, now if you want to enter the buy trade, you have to confirm that signal, because we have 3 confirmation parameter always. The first confirmation is the bottom bar color. The bar color always must be green if buy signal generate. And the second confirmation is the price zone. Buy is in buy zone here. And the third confirmation, candlestick color. Candle color must be green here. So in this case, these all confirmation was okay. So you can enter the trade at 5939. If you were enter the trade 5939, the target where the exit price that will get from software itself. Target first target 1, target 2, target 3. 3 targets are there. First target 5952, which means if you are under 5939 and the 5952, it's almost 13 points of difference. And the second target 5963, it's almost 23 points different. And the third target 5973. So these 3 target will get, and along with stop loss, trailing stop loss we are giving. So if you want to exit, you can keep this stop loss also, because if you are in the right, for example, you can check now 5939 if you are under, current market 5963. So it's 5963 means exactly first target. So sorry, second targets. So or 2 targets already triggered here, it will mention, and current stop loss 5947. So if you are under exit with a stop loss or sudden trend down, and if it exit stop loss also, we can book a minimum profit. That's the advantage of trailing stop loss. Right now the stop loss for 47. So you can keep the stop loss. Whenever market trend up, it will be stop loss also will trail up. So you can modify the stop loss in your terminal. And before that, so this is a confirm call. Actually the confirm call should be like this. And if a sell signal generate after the buy call, if a sell signal should be always the bottom bar color must be in red here, because here the sell signal generated, and the sell confirmation is the bottom bar color should be red, and the price zone, price in sell zone here. When sell signal generate time, candle color must be red here. In this case you can check here the sell signal generated but not yet confirmed. Bottom not changed to red, price not sell zone, and the candle color also not red, it's green. So it's a false call. We can avoid this call, this sell signal. Just before the buy signal generated on this candle, at the next candle opening price you can enter the trade. Already confirmation, all the confirmation are there. So it's a perfect call, you can enter. And before that a sell call, that also not confirmed, because the bottom is not changed to the red. So we can avoid it. Just before the buy signal generated, this you can notice this. Here the sells, and actually the buy signal generated on this candle. But there was no confirmation because the bottom was red color. So we have to wait for the proper confirmation. We have to wait until it's turned to green. So once it turned to green only you can enter the trade. Here buy signal actually generated on this point, but the next candle if you were enter now, the candle color, the bottom bar color must be green only you can enter the trade. But in this case the entry price actually we get from here on this candle. On the second candle here only you can enter 5704, and it's actually it's went up to 5785, but the confirmation we get from this point after the signal. So this is the wait with the confirmed signal. After signal generate we have to wait the confirmation. Just before the sell signal was generated, sell signal actually generated this point, red arrow, and bottom bar also red, this point. At this candle the signal generated, and more check the confirmation. That time the bottom also red, same time get the confirmation. We can enter the trade only from the next candle opening price, almost this level 5751, and it's down up to 5610. 5751 to 5610, almost 140 points more. It's the profit now from this sell signal, exact sell signal. That time that red bar price was in that time sell zone, and candle also red. So it's a perfect signal. You can check another one, a buy call, a false signal. This is another example of false signal. So signal generated, but bottom not changed. The bottom was not changed. So maybe we can wait when it's turned to green. We can wait, and it's turned to green at this point on this candle. But that time the candle color we have to notice. So when next signal generate, these three confirmations are okay only you can enter the trade. If it not match with these three, we have to avoid it. So in this case also same. The signal generated on this candle, the bottom not change, bottom green changed at this point. Price may be on that buy zone, but the candle is not match. So we have to, if you are enter this trade it will go down. It's maybe we face a huge loss. So just avoid the signal. We can easily avoid loss also. So this is the better example for false signals. These three, if the signal generate with these three confirmation only, we can enter the trade. Otherwise, just avoid the signal. We can how the profit we made. So the software support you that. Just follow these symbols rule. And if you were enter the trade and exit with the first target, the safe target will be first target. After the first target, again is there any chance to end up, we will get re-entry suggestion. So that time you can again enter. If re-entry suggestion generated, you can enter again. The re-entry target will be along with the signal, along with that re-entry suggestion price. So we can exit with that target re-entry. And the scanner also will support you. Scanner means if you were which are the stocks or which are the commodities you want to trade, those all you have to add it to the market watch. No need to open all the chart or check or something. Just keep it in market watch, left side market watch, and so from the market watch, the scanner will scan and give you the report, which is in buy zone or sell zone like this. If any new buy signal or sell signal generate, which will alert you under this dashboard, new signal generation dashboard, like buy signal buy at what price or sell at what price, like that. Just go to the chart. If you want to go to that chart, just click on the right side this arrow button. So click on that, you can directly go to that chart, and if the signal confirmed there, you have to check the confirmation there. Then the confirmation is there, you can enter the trades. That's only. So this is the simple strategy, simple methods. So easily you can find out good trades and avoid false trades. So I hope you all understand this all properly, and rest all you can check with the live demo. I can arrange you a live demo session first. You can call me directly through my contact number or WhatsApp me. My mobile number and WhatsApp number same, 9061308080, and you can register through our website also, www.wintradersoft.com is our website. There is a contact form, you can fill up that. Your concerned salesperson will contact you back. Okay, thank you for watching this video.